G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I've got the Hoomband Wireless Bluetooth headphones, and this comes with the app which has 100 hours of sleep-inducing content or more. The idea is that listening to music or other sleep-inducing sounds will help block out surrounding noise, help you disconnect and unplug at night, while also being comfortable and ideal for sleeping in, wearing when you're traveling, that sort of thing. With Bluetooth 5, it has approximately a 10 to 15 meter wireless range. So it has a lithium battery, which should be quite small and is meant to give you 10 hours worth of listening time off of just a 2-hour charge. So that's pretty good. Let's open this up and have a closer look at it, shall we? So right in the top of the box here, we have reference to the app stores for respective devices and an app unlock code to gain access to the Hoomband app for iOS and Android and unlock all of the content in it. Below that, we have the Hoomband itself, which looks and feels quite nice. And then below that, we have here our charge cable and our user guide. If we pull out our headband, I can feel here that we've got our speakers here, which feel like they're quite padded. There's a decent amount of padding around them, and so they feel pretty good. There's nothing in this front section at all that I can feel. At the front of where the speaker padding is as close as anything comes to the front, which is there, that point. And then this is padding back to about here. And then beyond that is your speakers. Going around the back of the headband, we've got an opening here, which is giving you access to your USB charge port. So you don't have to actually remove anything to charge this, which is handy. You don't have to go fishing around in there. You can just use that opening there to plug it in. And then also on the inside at the back along this stitching, we have access to the contents of the headband to remove anything should we want to for washing it and that sort of thing. So this whole section around here has more padding in it to protect your head from some of these harder components. We've got our charge component battery, and there's also a button on that, which is going to be your power and pairing and all of that sort of thing. So that is everything that comes in the box with the Hoomband. I thought I'd just take you through quickly a couple of the other kind of cool features about this one that make it stand out from a lot of the other ones on the market. If we turn it inside out, we have this, what Hoom call thermoformed foam padding on the inside. So that's this black section here. And this is removable. And this has all of our other components in it. So we can pull that out. And this is where we would actually adjust our headphone positioning. So you can see that headphone there. It's just Velcroed onto the foam. And it's obviously got all of its own foam. And it's very, very thin, only a few millimeters across. And we can adjust this. So we can move it back and forwards on this foam section, and that's actually going to hold it in place. So a lot of other ones that have adjustable headphones are purely adjustable by virtue of the fact that they sit freely inside the headband, and so you can move them around. That also means they move around on their own. So by using this, you're locking your headphones in place, and that means they're going to stay there and not move around inside the band and have to fix them up all the time. If we pull it out the rest of the way, we can see here, same thing on both sides with those headphones. And again, they're all really nicely padded, which is awesome. On this side, we have our control button, battery, and of course, our USB charge point. And so by removing this foam section, we're also keeping everything together, and it makes it a bit easier to get it back into the headband. And that makes it washable. Now, the Hoomband itself is washable. It does recommend hand wash only though, so something to be aware of. Don't stick it in the washing machine, and make sure of course that you're removing all of the electronic components first. According to the tag, the outside, that blue side, is made from 73% polyamide or nylon, 20% polyester and 7% elastane. The inside of the headband, so this green section on the inside here, is 91% polyester and 9% polyurethane. And then the foam, or this bit, is 100% polyester. So it is all synthetic materials. And this inside, this green bit, it does have a bit of a fleecy sort of feel to it. And so it does feel quite nice on. As you can see, it has a reasonable amount of stretch while still being quite firm, so it shouldn't move around on your head. Now, to put this phone back in, we want to make sure we line up this component with our charger and control and whatnot with that little hole in the headband so that it is accessible. So we're lining that up with that hole there. And of course, our headphones, we want to make sure they are on the inside of the band, so facing this same direction as this green one. Otherwise, that's going to be kind of awkward if you try and use it with them on the outside. So we're just going to take that and slot that back in through our gap in the stitching there and sliding that all the way through. And then we want to do the same thing with this one. And again, we're aiming to line up that opening with our charge port. And we can just massage that down and hopefully we're now all lined up. Yep, that is all lined up there with the charge port. So we can spin that back around and go ahead and put it on. Now it is worth noting that while this does come with its own app, you don't need the app to actually use the headphones. You just pair them via Bluetooth as you would with any other Bluetooth headphones. And then you can go ahead and use them just like any other headphones with your favorite apps for music and that sort of thing. You only need the Hoomband app if you want to have access to this 100+ hours of sleep-inducing audio content. If you don't want to use that, you don't need to. So that is the Hoomband Wireless Sleep Headphones and everything that comes in the box with it. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Bye for now.